Getting a new debit card from Bank of America is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To start, you will need to determine why you need a new debit card, such as if your current card is lost, stolen, or damaged. First, you can visit the Bank of America website or mobile app to request a new debit card. You will need to log into your account and navigate to the debit card section, where you can click on the option to request a replacement card. You will then be prompted to select the reason for your request and confirm your mailing address. Alternatively, you can visit a Bank of America branch in person to request a new debit card. You will need to bring a valid form of identification, such as a driver's license or passport, and let the representative know that you would like to request a new debit card. They will guide you through the process and provide you with a new card. If you are in a hurry, you can also visit a Bank of America branch to get a temporary debit card, which can be used until your new permanent card arrives in the mail. This can typically be done on the same day, and the temporary card can be used for purchases and ATM transactions. Once you have requested a new debit card, you can expect to receive it in the mail within 7 to 10 business days. In the meantime, you can monitor the status of your request by logging into your account online or through the mobile app. It is also important to note that you will need to activate your new debit card once you receive it. You can do this by calling the phone number on the sticker attached to the card, or by logging into your account online or through the mobile app. Overall, getting a new debit card from Bank of America is a simple process that can be completed in a few easy steps. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily get a new debit card and continue to manage your finances with ease.